Hello children, in this video we will see 10th standard arithmetic progression exercise 1.2 second main. In the last video I already explained the first main sums in that column whatever there no those sums I explained. Today I am going to explain second main and the third main two sums also. Okay, second main they have given the multiple choice questions. They have given the questions and options also, but here we can't directly mark the options. You have to solve the sums and mark it. They given in the for 1 marks also. You have to solve the sum, then only you will get the answer there. Okay, we'll see that second main what they have given here. They have given, see, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Justify means you have to solve the sum. How that answer is correct you have to say. That is a justification. So we'll see now how it is correct answer. Okay. Now we'll see the first sum. 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4. Here this is the AP. This is the sequence 10, 7, AP. 10, 7 and 4 is the AP they have given. 30th term, 30th means which is the, here how many terms they have given. This is the first term, 10 is the A1, A2, A3, 3 terms they have given like that. 30th number what will come, we have to find it there. 30th term of the AP we have to find it here. I already told you by using the nth term formula of the AP we can find any term of the AP. Means AN they have given, n if you substitute 1 means you will get A1, 2 means A2, like that. If you want 100th term, you have to substitute 100 there. So, A100 equal to, you will get the answer. So, here 30th term we want to find. So, in place of n, we have to substitute 30. A30 equal to A plus 29D will get it. Okay. Or you can use AN formula also. So, AN formula if you use AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, you should write. Then, if you want to use the AN formula, you should know A, D and the n. Correct? No. So here A is 10. Always first term is a 10. No, not first term is a 10. So first term is the A. So this is the A here. First term is 10. In this sum it is a 10. And D means what you will do? You have to subtract second term minus first term. Then you will get the D. Common difference how you are going to get in the AP, second term minus first term. We already know it is a AP means you have to subtract second term minus first term means you will get the D value. So I will use the formula and solve it, and I will tell you how to solve using that A 30 equal to A plus 29D also. So I will tell you now. See, AN formula is what here? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. See here, AN, n we want 30th term. That is a place of the term. So, n you have to take as a 30 here. A value is what they have given. A is equal to 10. First term always represents A. That is a 10 here. D value how we will find? A2 minus A1. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. So, I will find D now. Always you have to find the D. A2 minus A1 you have to do. If they given the sequence, you have to subtract second term minus first term means you will get the D value. So, here A2 is 7 minus 10. See, 7 minus 10, how much you will get it? Minus 3. Correct? No. 7 minus 10 because bigger number is containing 10 minus sign. So, 10 is a bigger number here. It is containing minus sign. So, answer is minus 3. So, this is the D value. So, we can substitute in the formula, right? So, AN equal to, so A30 equal to, because n is 30 here, 30th term we want it. So, A30 is equal to, A value is what we have? 10 plus, n value is 30, minus 1 into D. It is minus is there, D value is minus, so you put in the bracket, minus 3. So, 10 plus, 10 minus 1 is 9. In the bracket only I will write this also. So, 10. Here plus into minus is minus, 9 3 is a multiplication between these two. 9 3 is a 27. So 10 minus 27 is, how much you will get it? Here it is, n is 30 no. So 29. 29D. Okay, 29 into 3, how much you will get it? Sorry, this one is 29 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 2, 2 3s are 6 plus 2, 87. So 10 minus 87. This is 87 will come. Okay. Now 10 minus 87 is 77. Bigger number is 87. Here it is containing minus sign. So minus 77. Sorry, A30. No. Minus 77. Which option is correct then? Minus 77. C option is correct here. See, you can do like this also, or you can solve it directly. A30 want it, right? Here I will do it. A30 want it, right? So A30 is equal to, direct formula is what? A plus 29D. You can write it like this, no? So A30 equal to, so A value is what here? 10 plus 29. D value is same thing only. Only thing, this step you can skip it. That's it. How much is there? D minus 3. So same thing. 10 here, plus into minus is minus. 29 3s are 87. So you'll get the answer minus 77. Like this you have to solve it. Either like this or this. Directly you can. What is the AN formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Remember that. That is an important formula. Next we'll see the second sum what they have given. Here also directly I will solve using the A11 formula. A11 formula I will use here. 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 2. Here also 3 terms they have given. This is A1, this is A2, A3. Okay, A value I will write first. A value is what here? Minus 3. D, how you are going to find? A2 minus A1. A2 is what here? Minus 1 by 2. Minus, A2 is containing minus sign. In the formula always while finding D you will get different, this subtraction sign. Minus sign you should write in the formula itself, minus is there, and A1 is also containing minus, so put in a bracket. See here, minus 1 by 2 plus minus into minus will become plus 3. Okay, you have to take the LCM here because fraction is there. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. Here I should multiply 2 minus 1 plus 3 2s are 6. So you'll get answer as minus 1 plus 6, 5 by 2. This is a D value. D value is 5 by 2. A value is, A value we have 3 and D value is 5 by 2. And we want to find the 11th term. So A11 directly I will take here. So A11 is equal to, A11 equal to A plus 10D. A11 equal to, A value what we have? Minus 3 plus 10. D value is 5 by 2. So fraction is there. So here I can cancel these two. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Between this division is there. So minus 3 plus 5 into 5 is 25. So minus 3 plus 25. What you are going to get it? Plus 22. Bigger number is containing plus sign here, plus 25. So plus 22. Which option is correct here? B option is correct. Like this you have to solve it and justify your answer. Okay. Now we'll see the third main, that is, in the third main also actually you have 5 sums. In this video I'll solve 2 sums. Remaining sums I will solve in the next video. Okay. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. See, these are important sums. This exercise is only important. You don't neglect it. See clearly and understand the sums. If you understand sums, you can solve any sums. No problem. Okay. Now, here you see 2. Here they have given one box. Means here one number is missing. 26. This is A1. A2 is missing here. A2 we have to find it. This is A3 they have given. They told in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. In the boxes one number is there that is missed. We have to find it. A1 is there. A2 is missing here. A3 they have given. We want to find the A2 here. So A1 and A3 we have. Using those two, how we can find the A2? You should think it. Here each sum is different only. So you have to think and do it. So A1 means A1 equal to A equal to A1 equal to A equal to 2 they have given. Okay, and a3 they have given. a3 is equal to what? a3 is equal to 26. For a3 one formula is there. What is that? a3 equal to a plus 2d. Correct? No, a value also we have, d value we don't know here. See, always in the AP, if you want to write the AP, you should know a and d value. If you know a and d value, any number you can find it. Okay, here a we have, first term we have, we don't know the d here, but we know the third term. Third term of the AP we know. A3 formula is a plus 2d. Correct? No? In place of a3 I have written a plus 2d. This is correct. a3 equal to a plus 2d, no? So in place of a3 I have written a plus 2d equal to 26. As it is, see, in place of a3 I have written a plus 2d, because that is a3 formula is a plus 2d equal to 26. They only given third term is 26. Now I know a value also is 2 here. 2 in place of a 2 I substituted 2 into d. I'll write as it is equal to 26. Why I am finding d value here? If you know d value, you can find any terms of the AP. We already know first term. If you find d means any term of the AP, you can find it. So I am finding the d here. So here 2 if I transfer right side, because this you can't transfer because d is there here. 2 I'll write as it is equal to 26. This 2 I'll transfer right side, plus 2 will become minus 2. So 2d equal to 26 minus 2 is 24. D equal to, here between these two multiplication is the 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So d value we got 12 here. So we have a1, a2 we don't know. So now we know the a2 formula, right? a2 is equal to what? A plus d. A value we have, what is that a value? A value is 2. 2 plus d also we got now, 12. So a2 equal to 2 plus 12, 14. In the box we should write 14 is a missing term there. So we are written. Now we'll see the next sum, that is second sum. What they have given in the second sum, which terms are missing, we'll see now. See here, one box they have given, this is a1, I should write here, a2 is there, this is a3, a4. See, in the first sum we had a, directly we found it, but here it is different. So all sums are different in the AP. Here we can't solve all the sums like same method, we can't follow. We have to think and do it here. If you think and if you understand clearly, you can solve any sums, but you should understand correctly. AP is interesting, but you should understand it. Okay, we'll see. A1 they have given, A2 they have given, A3 they didn't give, A1 and A3 they didn't give here, A2 and A4 they have given. Whatever they given, now we'll write it first. So A2 equal to what here? 30 I have written, and I will write A4. A4 equal to how much they have given? 3 they have given. Correct, no? So A2 formula I'll write. What is A2 formula? Can you say? A plus D. Correct, no? A2 formula is A plus D, and A4 formula is A plus 3D. So in place of A2 I have written A plus D. In place of A2 I have written A plus D equal to 13 as it is I am writing. Then A4. In place of A4 I will write A plus 3D equal to 3. See, this you take as equation 1, this you take as equation 2. We will solve the equations now. You know how to solve the equations? Correct, no? Here solve the equation means you have to subtract the equations. So here also A is there, here also A is there. I can subtract it and find it now. So A plus D, A plus 3D. This is A plus D equal to 13. This is A plus D equal to 3 is there. See, subtraction means for the second equation you have to change the sign. Here plus is there, minus I changed. Here plus is there, minus I changed. Here also plus is there, minus I changed. Okay, plus A minus A will get cancelled. Here you see plus D minus 3D is there. See, this is plus D minus, here nothing is there means 1 will be. So 3D minus 1D is 2D. Here which is containing this, always you should consider the changed sign. Whatever we changed, no, that signs you have to consider. See, solve the equation means you are subtracting the equations here. By subtracting the equations you will get one value here. we can subtract. See, subtraction, why we will change the sign, I'll just tell you here. So while subtracting, you'll write 2 minus 3, like this you will write it. So we are subtracting the equations itself here. So how we will write? See, left side I'll subtract with the left side, right side with the right side. So a plus d I will write it, minus a plus 3d, in the bracket I should write it, is equal to 3 minus 13. We'll write like this now. That only we are writing in the vertical form. See, this minus will multiply inside the bracket, so only we are changing the sign here. Suppose this plus is there, means it will become minus here. This is plus, means it will become minus. Suppose here minus is there, means it will become plus. So understand it. Subtraction equation means you have to change the sign. Plus is there means minus. Plus is there means minus. Minus is there means plus. You have to change it. So now you see plus 1d minus 3d. So you have to consider the changed sign. So minus 3d it is. So only we are subtracting here. Both also plus means you should add it. But we are subtracting here because one is plus, one is minus. So minus 3d. Minus 3d plus 1d. 3d minus 1d is 2d. Which is bigger number here? 3 or 1? 3 is 1. 3 is bigger. It is containing minus sign. So minus 2d is equal to 13 minus 3. Here also. This is plus. This is also plus. But we changed 3 as a minus here, minus 3. So plus 13 minus 3 is 10. So d equal to 10 plus or minus here. 13 is containing plus sign. So d equal to 2d minus 2d equal to 10. Then d equal to 10 by minus 2. Full minus also I will take down. Minus 2. And one more thing I want to say. Plus by minus is always minus. Plus divided by minus is minus. 2 ones are 2. 5s are. We'll get d value as 5 here. See, we got d value. And always I told you, if you want to write any AP terms, you have to find a and d value. Now we got d value. How we are going to find the a value? Think about it. A value, how we were going to find it? A value is what here? See, we have one formula, two formulas here. A plus d equal to 13, one equation. A plus 3d equal to 3, second equation. Any of these equation you use it and find the a value. Correct? No. I will use the first equation from 1. From 1, what is the first equation? A plus d equal to 13 is there. We got d value, no. And 13 also, only unknown thing is a here. So a plus minus 5 equal to 13. It is minus sign, so I put in the bracket here. A plus into minus is minus 5 equal to 13. So a equal to 13. If I transfer 5 right side means plus 5. So a equal to 18. Now we got A18. So that is the first term. A1 is also A. So A1 equal to 18. A3, how we are going to find it now? If you know A and D, any term you can find it. I already told you. A3 formula is what? A3 equal to A plus 2D. So A is 18, we got it, plus 2 into D value is minus 5. So 18 plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. So you'll get 8. So A3 is 8, we got it. So which are the missing terms here? 18 and 8. Like this you have to find the missing terms. I hope you understood this. These are very interesting and important sums. You have to understand it and solve the sums. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. And subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get the notification of next videos. Thank you.